Welcome back, guys. InfoFi channel. Today we'd like to continue the playlist about Bubblemaps, and in this video I will show you just a brand new feature, magic nodes, and it's basically the game changer of on-chain analysis. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, like usual, I highly recommend you create an account on the Bubblemaps. Now they launched the version 2, and so what you have to do and how to find the magic nodes. You click launch app, log in your account. Now you can investigate the tokens on different chains. Ethereum base, Solana, Tron, BNB chain, and Ape chain. And I want to show you the example, what is magic nodes and how to work with. For example, I already open the BRED token to show you how it works and what we can find it. When we open any token, like I told you before, we can track the wallets. So each bubble, it's one single wallet, and connections between the wallets, it's basically the on-chain transfers. So we can find the clusters, some holders like this one. For example, this is the main wallet, and he sent some tokens, made some transfers to another 5 wallets. It can be one person, just spread the tokens between the wallets, or it can be the group of people, but we get some connections. And like you can see, when you click on one single wallet, one single bubble, you can find the data. Cluster supply in total of all of these 5 wallets is 0.49%. It's basically not a big amount. And I would like to show you more data with the magic nodes. Here you can see 2.32 million out to 6 different addresses, right? And the time when it's set it. But the magic nodes is one of the most powerful tool now in the Bubblemaps arsenal. It's uncover indirect links between the wallets that are invisible on the standard Bubblemaps, what we see now on the screen. What the main problem magic nodes solve? So by default, Bubblemaps only show direct connections between the top holders of token. But what about intermediaries? For example, several wallets receiving the gas from the same funding address. Multiply holders sending assets to the same centralized exchange wallet. And on the main page, we can't track. These interactions won't appear on the map if the intermediaries hold on tokens, and there is no visual of connections on the main screen. The Bubblemaps introduced now the magic node solution, and like you can see, we got a 190 hardest connections. So we can track the non-holder addresses into the Bubblemap, those with 0 token balance, but clear transactional relieving. This expands the network, relieving clusters that otherwise go undetected. For example, we can pay attention for this one single wallet. Looks like not a big deal. No connections, basically nothing. So only one person hold 42 million tokens, and it's 2.27 in USD value. But when we click the magic nodes, the magic happen. Take a look. Bam. And we can find all of these other wallets cross-connected with this one. And it's kind of long chain, all of these small wallets, till even the last one, small one. Without a magic nodes, you will see just a small clusters where some wallets connect directly to some others one. But with the magic nodes, additional wallets appear, like this one you can see on the screen, this one, this one, this one, and all of them are connected. These wallets hold no BRED token. Today I showed the BRED token, but they previously sent or received the BRED token from other top wallets. So magic nodes give you the deeper insight into holders' behavior, wallet orchestration, and potential centralized control. I highly recommend you, just an educational purpose, create an account on a Bubblemaps, start using it, and do your own research for any of main tokens, like for example the baby Doge. Also, I can show you. We open the page with just the by default wallets. Even here, we see the biggest connections, and we got additional 157 connections by magic nodes. When we click it here, we can see how these connections looks like in general. Take a look, one big cluster. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and create an account on a Bubblemaps. Links will be under the description below. Highly recommend you also follow Bubblemaps all social to track the new feature, new updates, new announcements. And in the next video, I will show you how to work with the time travel option. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.